The campus theater in Union County had a special guest today. She is one of the original Rosie the Riveters, and a century later, she can still do it. Newswatch 16's Mae Krier was there for the special tribute.
Dozens gathered inside the campus theater in Lewisburg to hear stories about World War II from a living piece of history.
But to get back to World War II, I remember so well the day that Pearl Harbor was bombed.
At 99 years old, Mae Krier travels around the country to share her story as one of the original Rosie the Riveters.
I built B-17s and B-29 bombers. I thought we deserved more recognition after the war, and we didn't get it, so we had to fight for it.
Krier is in this photo from the 1940s with others in front of an aircraft they built for the war. Once she arrived home from war, she felt that the contributions and sacrifices of many women during the war went unrecognized.
Like I said, we set an example for women. The women have proved that they can be capable of anything. And before that, they had no idea how capable women were. You know, in our role, it was a man's world. Women belonged in the kitchen and making beds and dishes. Not anymore.
She hopes that by sharing her story, she can inspire women to realize they are capable of achieving anything they dream of, even when the odds are stacked against them.
You know, if you have something that you think is important, it might not be important to somebody else, but it's important to you, go for it.
I think to inspire young women to know that there are no boundaries for all that they can do. That's what she teaches us all.
She even shared some inspirational words with me.
For the women to keep doing what they're doing, I'm just so proud of you, all of you. I think it's wonderful. Look what you're doing here right now. Years ago, it would be a man standing here.
Mae Krier, Newswatch 16, Union County.